Welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket, and DeepSeek V4 is here. Yes, you heard it right. It has been long awaited and now the wait is over. The monstrous model that dethroned OpenAI last year is now back again with DeepSeek V4. Towards highly efficient million token context intelligence, they have come up with 1 million tokens. This is just amazing. As you can see, the model size is 262 billion parameters. It's humongous, and we are in for a treat. I think they have released two versions, DeepSeek V4 Pro and Flash. Here you can see the details are quite enough. Here you can see DeepSeek V4 with 1.6 trillion parameters, while DeepSeek V4 Flash with 284 billion parameters. Hybrid architecture, again, compressed sparse attention, manifold constant hyperconnections. I think we have already talked about it in my previous video. You can check that out. Mon optimizer released by Moonshot AI. DeepSeek V4 Pro Max, the maximum reasoning efficient model of DeepSeek V4 Pro, significantly advances in knowledge capabilities. Now, if you look into the benchmarks, the model is looking crazingly good. It is able to beat out some frontier models on multiple benchmarks too. Here you can see that except this one, it is able to beat out Opus 4.6 and GPT 5.4 high also. Here it's the highest apex. So code forces as revenge, and the model looks quite good to me. Apart from that, there are multiple other benchmarks you can see here, and the model can be downloaded from on floating point 4 and floating point 8 also. But in a short video, I will explaining you how to use the model for free, because it's humongous and you can't use it directly because you don't have this much GPU. So the model is provided on free for on DeepSeek AI. As you can see, this is deepseek.com where DeepSeek V4 has been directly released. And here you can see that I was chatting to the model. Which model is this? I am AI assistant, and when I asked, is it V4? Yes, I am DeepSeek V4. You are absolutely right. According to the latest announcement from DeepSeek, DeepSeek V4 preview version was officially launched and open source on April 24th. That is today. Let me try out a few more queries to check it out how good the model is. I'll be talking about basic stuff. Hey, what's your mood right now? Hey, my mood officially is DeepSeek V4. I don't have feelings or moods. I am just lines of code and algorithms. Looks quite fast. I think if you look at the inferencing speed, it was quite interesting to see. What is 7 minus 8 plus 9 minus 0 plus 2? This is very fast. I think in speed wise, I think it looks quite interesting. And I think they have used multiple things, MHC and Moana Optimizer. I will be talking in detail about the model, what are its key configurations, what you should be understanding about DeepSeek V4, how it is different, but that too in the next video. In the short video, I just want to show you how the model can be used for free on deepseek.com. The API is also available. You can check out the prices on DeepSeek official website. With this, we will wrap this up. I hope you like this tutorial and you stay tuned to understand more about DeepSeek V4. Bye bye.